Magme-memorize ako yan ng hantaran. From vision, mission, scout out, and scout law. Adiyan notes, day. Adi day. Babakduhan ko na sa sarili kong hindi ako makasagot. First, okay. I introduce myself. Good evening, everyone. My name is Sheena Sharafiti from BTBTED FSM Bonding. I'm from Ipsum Info. Umubo talaga ako, alam mo yun. First, we need to memorize vision. Vision and Ipsum. Vision, a premier institution of learning of the Asian region by 2040. Mission, develop competent and productive professionals with positive values and sustainable development. Scout Out. On my honor, on my honor dapat. On my honor, I will do my best to do my duty and to good and my country, the Republic of the Philippines, and to obey of the scout laws, to help other peoples at all times, to keep myself, ano na naman kita yun eh, to keep myself physically strong, mental awake, and moral strong. Oh, okay na. Now, magme-memorize ka na scout out. There's have 12 scout point. First, the trustworthy. Second is loyal. 3 is helpful. 4 is friendly. 5 is courteous. 6 is kind. And 7 is obedient. And 8 is cheerful. 9 is thrifty. And 10 is brave. 11 is clean. And 12 is robust. You're so now, and ako na nag-memorize and Boy Scout of the Philippines and BCP vision and BCP mission and BCP motto and BCP slogan. Bye-bye!